Hi everyone. I welcome you all in my new tips for the Unreal Engine. This is very quick tips actually, but quite handy. You can have a great benefit of it. Okay. So in front of you, you are seeing one of my latest projects. So sometimes you might need to have to see the wireframe of the models or of the project with the texture also. So it's like the shaded wireframe. So in Unity, there is a function you can have this one like you can toggle that, and you can have the wireframe with the shaded material on it. But in Unreal, there is this function you have, but it's quite tricky for someone actually. For sometimes that someone may use some materials to the wireframe materials to do that, and it's like quite in the internet there is I find that this topic is quite versatile. I mean people use different methods. So you have a very good option in the command section, in the viewport section. Let me show you that how you toggle the graph actually. It's sometimes very handy to kind of like when you have to know the wireframe of the projects. So like okay, let me expand the view. Okay, so what you need to do, let's say this is the project and you want to see the wireframe of it. So what you need to do, you go to the show panel and you go to the advanced section of it, like this one. Yeah, the advanced section. So go to the show panel and go to the advanced section, and you see here you have the option that mesh edges. Okay, this one, the mesh edges. Okay, you click on, and as soon as you click on, there should be wireframe there. Click on. Yeah, you see. Yeah, and give it a time, give it some time to adjust the view. This one is you are seeing it like kind of like a emissive material because of the viewport, and also the auto exposure is on. So as you can see, you have the wireframe, and with the shader, I mean you can see the materials as well, you see. And you see the mannequin's condition. You see that how much poly is there, or the mesh. Okay, so as soon as you kind of like if some clients of yours wants to know know about the wireframe. So as you can do this one, like you just grab this and toggle this one and take a screenshot and send it to your clients to have a perfect view of the wireframe condition. And it's quite okay, quite handy, I think. And also the wireframes are kind of like a light blue color, and it's like a little bit of emissive effect on it, and it's okay. I think it's uh, quite good. Okay, so this is how you see the condition of the wireframe. You see, yeah, yeah, auto exposure is on, so that's why you are seeing it sometimes bright, sometimes dark. So it's like, yeah. So I find this one is quite handy. I mean, rather than kind of like a multiple approach, like kind of like you have to make it uh, like with the materials and all that. Yes, of course you can do, but this one is quite handy to me and quite reasonable to me, just like the Unity. So as soon as you want to off it, so the show, go to the advanced section, and you just click on the mesh edge. This one, click on, and it's gone. See? So I think this one will have a good impact on your Unreal journey, and it's a good tip, I think. So yeah, so uh, keep in touch with me, everyone, in my with my channel, and if you have anything, let me know with the comments, and I will be happy to share my thoughts and my experience and yeah. So keep in touch with me. Thank you very much.